Hello everyone and welcome to Machine Learning and AI Tutorials. In this tutorial, we explain how to install on a local Linux Ubuntu computer Microsoft's newest text-to-speech model called VibeVoice. Let's first give a brief overview of this model. VibeVoice is a new model for converting text to speech. It addresses the well-known challenges of traditional text-to-speech models such as scalability, speaker consistency, and natural turn taking. VibeVoice actually comes in two forms, it includes two models. It includes a long-form multi-speaker model and it includes real-time streaming TTS model. Let's immediately start with installation. First of all, you need to go to the GitHub page of this model. Here it is. Or you can simply search or Google VibeVoice GitHub. After you open this GitHub page, scroll down and find the overview section, then do the right click and open a new tab, this subsection. Then scroll all the way down. And over here you will find installation instructions. There are two ways to install this program. One approach is to use Docker. However, to follow this approach, you need to install Docker, and this might be a relatively complex or complicated approach to install it. Another approach that I will follow in this video tutorial is to directly clone the GitHub repository, install the necessary prerequisites, and then run the demo example. However, before executing these two commands, you need to do several things. First of all, to be on the safe side, you need to create a Python virtual environment. Then you also need to install some prerequisites such as Git, and my suggestion is to install PyTorch directly with CUDA support. Namely, I didn't look inside of this install file and I don't know what are the prerequisites, and I'm not sure that the authors of this model are actually installing PyTorch with CUDA support. To make sure that this model can use your GPU, it's better to install PyTorch with CUDA support, and I will explain that later. Also, my suggestion is to install NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit, and I will lead you through these steps. So let's immediately start. First of all, open a terminal. One thing that's always good to check when installing a new model is your Python version. You can check your Python version by simply typing this command. As you can see, I'm using actually Ubuntu version. To correct myself, Ubuntu version is 24.04. Then make sure that the Python is installed on your system. You can simply type something like this. In my case, the Python version is 3.12. So let's proceed with installation of Git. To install Git on your computer, first of all, run these two commands: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Enter your password and let's continue and wait. Then after this command, you need to run this command in order to install Git. Here you need to press Y before doing that and wait until your system is being updated. Next, install Git by using this command. Press Y. And that's it. Then my suggestion over here is to install NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit. There are several ways to do that. You can simply Google install NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit, then go to this downloads page, then click on Linux. Over here you can select your architecture, then you can select Ubuntu, your Ubuntu version, and my suggestion is to go with this network option. Then you need to execute these commands over here. However, if you want to have a tutorial or if you want to watch these steps, I have created a separate video tutorial on how to do that. Simply go to my YouTube page and search for NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit install on a Linux Ubuntu computer. After you install NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit, you can type something like this, NVCC version, and if you get such a response, this means that NVIDIA CUDA compiler is installed on your system. As you can see, I'm using CUDA 12.6. However, this version is 3.1, but it really doesn't matter. Next, go to the home folder, and in the home folder create a workspace folder called Vibe Test. Then navigate to Vibe Test folder. And over here, we need to create a Python virtual environment. To create a Python virtual environment, we need to install a program that will enable us to do so. You need to execute this command. Over here, you need to specify your Python version. In my case, it's 3.12. However, if you're using any other version, here you need to specify the version number and press enter, and then press Y. Then after that, we need to create a Python virtual environment. We can do it like this. And then finally, we need to activate the Python virtual environment by executing this command. Here you will see that we are inside of the Python virtual environment. The next step is to install PyTorch with CUDA support. Consequently, go to Google and search PyTorch install CUDA. Then click here on Get Started. And over here in this selection table, click on Stable, Linux, pip or pipe, Python, and over here you can select your CUDA version. I'm going to use this CUDA version. However, you can either try this one or any other. Note over here that they don't have CUDA 3.1. However, if you choose some older version, it should be completely fine. So go back to terminal and execute this command. This will correctly install PyTorch and you will be able to use your GPU with PyTorch. That is, if you have a nice and fast GPU, the model will be able to use it. In my case, it's NVIDIA 3090. After installing PyTorch, go back to the VibeVoice webpage or GitHub repository, then copy this clone command, go back to the terminal and clone the repository and press enter. This will download all the repository files, however, it will not download the model. The model will be downloaded the first time you run the Python script. Okay, next you need to navigate to the folder. You can simply type this, and inside of the folder you can install all the required Python libraries by simply typing this command and pressing enter. And this will install everything. Note over here that PyTorch is already being downloaded, so most likely this command will recognize that and it will not download again PyTorch. Next, let's test the model. Here you have two tests. You can use usage 1 and run this command, or you can use usage 2. I will use this usage 2. For that purpose, I'm going to simply copy this command. I will go back to my terminal and I will paste it. However, before we execute this command, let's analyze and let's see what is written over here. First of all, we are calling Python. My suggestion over here to change this and to specify Python 3. Then let's see where the text file is. Or let's first see what are we running. We are running a program inside of the demo subfolder called realtime_model inference from file.py. Good, let's find that model or that file. So here you need to go to home. Then in the home you need to go to your user, and then here you need to find the workspace folder. Here it is. Then let's click on VibeVoice, let's find demo, and here it is. This is the file we are running. You can open this file and see what is inside. It's always good to know what is inside. So spend some time understanding what's happening over here. Good. Next, let's see the second part of this command. Now over here, we need to specify the model. So we have this parameter model path, and Microsoft VibeVoice Realtime is actually the Hugging Face address or Hugging Face repository of this model, and first time you run this command, the model will first be downloaded from the Hugging Face repository. Then we need to provide a source file, that is the file containing text that we want to convert to speech. This file is located inside demo text example, and here is the file. Good, let's find that file. So it should be in text examples, and here it is. And this is the text that we want to convert to speech. Good. Let's see the last part of this command. Then we need to specify the speaker name. The speaker name is Carter. Okay, so let's find where are the speakers. So if you go to demo, if you go to voices streaming model, over here you will find all the speakers. So if you go back here, let's try to and go back here, let's start to search for Carter by simply typing this, and here it is. This is the file that's used to generate a male voice. You can also use other files such as Frank, Grace, Mike, etc. Good. And then let's press enter and let's run this model. And let's see what's happening. Okay, the first time you're running this model, the Hugging Face repository of this model will be downloaded. In my case, since the model is already downloaded, since I tested this model several times, this will not happen. And currently, the model is immediately converting text to speech, and you can see how fast it is. I have NVIDIA GPU with 24 gigabytes of VRAM, and we can see that it works relatively well. Let's wait, and here it is. Let's see the statistics. We can see the input file, and over here we can see the output file. Good. Let's find the output file. If you go back here, if you go voices demo, go back here. Here's the outputs folder, and if you double click, you can hear the generated audio file. Good.
Such as podcasts.
Okay, sounds good. And let's see some other things. You can see it took around basically 25 seconds to generate the file, which is really good. And you can see that audio duration is 56 seconds. So it takes around 0.5 seconds to generate 1 second of speech file. Then let's change this example a little bit so we can again change this, actually run this command again. However, let's go here, click on VibeVoice, click on demo. Then let's go to text examples, open this one, and let's erase this and let's try something else. Hello, my name is Vibe Code. And then let's try something like this. Then, how are you doing? And then over here, let's say something else. I am perfect today, and I want to help you. Something like that. Okay, let's save this, and then let's go back over here, and then let's run this model again, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. And that's it. So let's see where the file is. Again, it's in the outputs folder, and now if we go to the outputs folder, we should see the file. Here it is.
Hello, my name is Vibe Code. How are you doing? I am perfect today, and I want to help you.
Perfect.
Hello, my name is Vibe Code.
Looks very good. Okay, that's all for